guys, today we have here a 2013 Toyota Vitz. So we are here, we are here to change this old stereo system that came with the car. We are here to change this and give him the original 7-inch Android system. It's a 7-inch screen, so it's going to replace this exact same space. So what we need to do first is to get your plastic tools to take off this whole section. You need to pop this out. It's just locker, so you can even use your hand. Pop it. Then it comes off. So after you've taken this whole thing off, these are also lockers. So you just pull them and then it comes off. Then you take this hazard harness out. Then you are left with 10 screwdrivers, or they are 10mm screws. So you need to get your 2 and then take them off as well. So we need to just use it to take off the screws. 10L. So once you take off all the screws, the whole thing comes off, and then you gently take all the harness out as well. Radio antenna. This one comes off as well. This and that and that. So this is the harness that came with the 7-inch Android system. So you have to fix it, connect it to the original harness. So we need to fix these cables on the back of the screen. This is the antenna, GPS antenna. So give it a twist, okay? Give it what? A twist. Then that's it. So once you are done, the USB cable had already been passed in the letterbox. That's it. So yeah, we need to fix all these cables here. Start by fixing the USB cables. Camera cable. Don't forget your radio antenna, very important. Okay, and the main power. Fix that one too, perfectly. Then the GPS antenna. You need to take this thing off.
Find a non-metallic surface.
Stick it right there. So we need to fix this frame here. Connect the hazard. Alright. Put it. Go inside. cable is really long. So we gently position the screen inside the frame. Then you make sure it locks. So as you guys can see, perfectly fixed. Perfectly fixed. With everything working. Everything working. So let's check it out.
Yet you have the accommodation and amazing opportunity.
So as you can see, it's neatly done, installed, everything works. Screen, everything works perfectly. Sound, everything counts. Reverse camera, perfect. This is the HD 1080 pixel quality camera. Quality.